Anjuman Auqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar has strongly condemned the occupation authorities for disallowing Eid al-Azha prayers at the historic Eidgah in Srinagar on Thursday tomorrow. The Anjuman said that it had announced that Eid prayers would be held at the Eidgah at 9 a.m. on Thursday. However, the occupation authorities have disallowed the same. Incarcerated senior leader of the all parties Hurriyat conference Shabir Ahmed Shah has turned the Indian government's move to host a conference of Indian judges in Srinagar yet another attempt to mislead the international community on the ground situation of illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Shabir Ahmed Shah, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, said the Indian judiciary, that has always been biased against Kashmir and its people, has no moral justification to hold such an event in the occupied territory. Posters have appeared in Srinagar again highlighting the prevailing grim human rights situation in occupied Kashmir. The posters with the pictures of APHC leaders displayed by the pro-freedom organizations denounce the Indian attempt to hold a so-called 3-day conference of 200 judges in Srinagar from Thursday. Pakistan's permanent representative to the United Nations Munir Akram has paid rich tributes to the heroic struggle of the Kashmiri people for the right to self-determination. Munir Akram in a message greeted the UN community and Muslim citizens on the occasion of Eid al-Azha, which is being celebrated in many parts of the world. Hurriyat leaders and organizations have rejected the Indian Army's so-called investigation into the incident of forced Jai Shri Ram sloganeering into Pulwama mosques, terming it an attempt to hoodwink the international community. The development took place amid mounting pressure by the Kashmiri people, which led the Indian Army to claim that it has started an investigation against the Indian soldiers under Major's command for compelling worshippers into Pulwama mosque to chant Jai Shri Ram slogans.